Hello everyone, I am Sarif Sulfikar and today I am going to discuss the questions from the course outline of ICATS Mathematics Contest for grade 3 and 4, and the topics which we will cover in this video are time and calendar. So first we will discuss the questions related to time. Question number 1, Ahmed will go to meet his friends in the afternoon. At what time of the following will he go? Option A is 12 a.m. Option B is 1:25 a.m. Option C is 7:35 a.m. and option D is 2:40 p.m. So we can see that option A, B, and C are given in AM time, which is usually morning time. After morning, exactly at 12 o'clock in the daytime, it's noon. And after 12, it's afternoon. So we have our option D, which is 2:40 p.m. So Ahmed will go to meet his friend in the afternoon at 2:40 p.m. Question number 2, which time is missing? Option A is 9:15, option B is 9:30, option C is 9:45, and option D is 10. So if we look at all these clocks, the times are 8, 8:45, 10:15, and 11 o'clock. So now let's see what is the jump between the numbers. So from 8 to 8:45, there is a jump or gap of 45 minutes. And the same gap is between 10:15 to 11 o'clock. So now we can add 45 into 8:45. So the time will be 9:30. So we'll select option B here. Question number 3, Fatima studies for 230 minutes each day. For how many hours does she study in 30 days? Option A is 110 hours, option B is 115 hours, option C is 120 hours, and option D is 125 hours. So Fatima studies for 230 minutes in one day. And to find that out, for how many hours does she study in 30 days, we will multiply 230 and 30. So first of all, we can write these two zeros as it is in the answer. Then we will multiply 23 by 3. So 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. So total time is 6,900 in minutes. But we have to find out the hours because it was mentioned in the question that for how many hours does she study in 30 days. To do that, we will divide 6,900 by 60. So she has studied for 115 hours. Question number 4, Cody rides his bike to the park to meet a friend at noon. Cody arrives at the park at 11 a.m. Which question can be answered using this information? Option A is what is the distance between the park and Cody's house? So no such information is given in the question. Option B is how long could Cody have to wait for his friend? So this question can be answered because we know that Cody arrived at the park at 11 a.m. and he had to meet his friend at noon, which is 12 p.m. So there is 1 hour between this time. So we can answer this question. So we will select option B here, but we can check the other options as well. Option C is how long does Cody stay at the park? No information is given. And option D is when will Cody leave to go home? So again, no such information is given in the question. So we will select option B here. Question number 5, look at the following train schedule. Fiza is at Springtown. If she wants to arrive at Danville at 12 p.m., what time should she get on the train? Option A is 10 a.m., option B is 10:45 a.m., option C is 3:30 p.m., and option D is 9:15 p.m. We look at the train schedule. A train travels from Springtown at 10:45 a.m. and reaches to Danville. So we should select option B here. She should get on the train at 10:45 a.m. Question number 6, Aisha is going to make chili for a football party. It will take 15 minutes to prepare all the ingredients and assemble them in the pot. Then the chili will need to simmer for 1 hour and 5 minutes. What is the latest time Aisha can start preparing the ingredients if the chili needs to be ready at 12:20 p.m.? Option A is 10 a.m., option B is 10 p.m., option C is 11 a.m., and option D is 11 p.m. So let's add the time first, as it will take 15 minutes to prepare all the ingredients, and we need 1 hour and 5 minutes to simmer the chili. So the total time is 1 hour and 20 minutes. As the chili should be ready by 12:20 p.m., so she can start it at 11 a.m. Then after 1 hour and 20 minutes, it will be 12:20 p.m. So we will select option C here. She can start the latest by 11 a.m. Now we will solve questions related to calendar. Question number 1. Every 7th day in April, starting from April 1st, Hamna goes for her piano lessons. On which date will Hamna have her second last piano lesson for the month? Option A is April 20, option B is April 21st, option C is April 27, and option D is April 28. We can see that the month is starting from Monday, and she will take her first piano lesson on 7th of April, second will be on 14th, third will be on 21st, and the fourth piano lesson will be on 28th. As it was asked in the question that when she will take her second last piano lesson. So it will be on 21st of April. So we will select option B here. Question number 2. Mary has a piano recital on May 25. Today is April 28. How long must she wait before the recital day? Option A is 3 weeks 2 days. Option B is 3 weeks 6 days. Option C is 4 weeks 2 days. And option D is 4 weeks 3 days. So today is 28th April and her recital day is on 25th of May. So we can count the number of days and weeks in between. We can see that these 3 weeks will be completely counted. Now let's count the number of days. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6. So she will have to wait for 3 weeks and 6 days before the recital. Question number 3. Ahmed school is reopening after summer vacations on the third Thursday after 6th August. What will be the date on that day? Option A is 18th August. Option B is 11th August. Option C is 21st August. And option D is 25th August. So after 6th August, the first Thursday will be on 11th, second will be on 18th, and third will be on 25th. So we will select option D here. Question number 4. If Ali has baseball practice every fourth day in the month of March, starting with March 1, what date will be his last day of practice for the month? Option A is March 28, option B is March 29, option C is March 30th, and option D is March 31st. So as the practice is on every fourth day of the month, so the first practice day will be on 4th, second will be on 8th, third will be on 12th, fourth will be on 16th, fifth will be on 20th, sixth will be on 24th, and seventh will be on 28th of March. As then the next practice day will be in the month of April. So we will select option A here. His last practice day will be on 28th March. Question number 5. You go to the gym 5 times each week. Which of the following is closest to the number of times you will go to the gym over a period of 6 months? Choose best estimate. Option A is 200 times, option B is 800 times, option C is 130 times, and option D is 150 times. In 1 week, you go 5 times. There are 4 weeks in 1 month. So we will multiply 5 by 4, that is equal to 20. It means you go to gym for 20 times in 1 month. Now to find out that how many times you go in 6 months, so we'll multiply 20 by 6, that is equal to 120. But if we look at our options, 120 is not given. So as we have to choose the best estimate, we will select 130 times, which is closest to 120 out of the given options. So we will select option C here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so